Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very powerful looking Hulkbuster in Avengers Infinity War. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this. So to begin, we're going to start out with his eyes first, and we can draw in, you can draw in one middle line like this and then just slightly slant up the other one. Okay, because this is going to be his eye, so we just come down and just draw like a little really long triangle. Okay, so it's very simple, and then on this nose area we just right there just give it a little bit line there. All right, and then from here start drawing around his face. So in the middle here we're just going to go straight up, and then we're going to draw two lines going out. Okay, and then we're going to come back down right near the corner of his eye, and then we're going to go out and slight curve, and then we're just going to come down so it looks kind of like Iron Man, and then we just connect this. Okay, and then from here we're going to draw in two lines coming out this way, and then come out a little bit, and then now just draw the same line up and then just go back into that corner. Okay, so same line up and then just hook it back to that corner so it looks nice and mean. Okay, and then for the bottom here, same thing, just draw one line, come down again, and then close that off. Okay, and then now let's finish off the rest of the head. So here you can draw in, we can draw this in first, and just draw a little rectangle in here. And then now we're gonna go all the way around his head. So this is gonna be the top of his head. So it's gonna be pretty wide. And then we're gonna come down kind of straight. And then we're gonna curve it, just meet up to the bottom. It's a little bit tricky, but it's a very cool looking shape. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw the rest of his body, which is gonna be pretty big. So right here we're gonna curve it out, straight out. This is gonna be his shoulder. And then we're gonna curve it all the way to the, just like close to the middle. So right around here, just curve it. Okay, and then we're gonna come up a little bit, just go straight up at a slight angle, and then now from here, this corner here, we're just gonna curve this one and gonna meet up with that one. Okay, so this one curve, just go all the way around and just meet up with that. All right, so it's a little bit tricky, but not too bad. So now we're gonna draw the side here. We're gonna come down, just come straight down, and then we're gonna curve it in right around here, and then we're gonna draw a slant and connect that. And then in the middle here, I'll draw a little line, and this is gonna be his reactor. So we're just gonna dip it in a little bit. All right. And then down here, we're gonna just extend it. And now for his waist, it's gonna be pretty small. So we're just gonna come down a little bit. And then we're gonna just go all the way, again, the same kind of angle as this other line. Okay, and then now for this bottom portion, just come straight down, draw this line, come out a little bit, and now we're just gonna connect them. Okay, so let's finish up his arms before we draw his legs. So his arms, we're just gonna give a little bit of a rectangle here so that it comes out. And now from here, just go straight out, and then we're gonna draw one big curve. And then on this side, in the middle right around here, just draw another curve and close that off. And now for the inside of the arm, just extend it a little bit, and we're just gonna close that off. And we can add a little bit of detail. Let's just add a little bit of curve there. And there's gonna be two, let's draw this now, since this one's easy. So just draw like two little rectangles on that side, on the edge. Okay, so let's move on and let's see, again, another section. And then we're just gonna draw 2 big curves. Close it off. That's this lower arm. And then for the details, we're just gonna draw the same curve here. Have it come across. And it looks like he's got some kind of weapon here almost, I think, huh? So we'll just draw a little opening like that. And for the smaller detail, we just add a little bit of light there. Okay, so then for his hands, it's pretty easy. So we're just gonna come out. Okay. We're just drawing the palm area. And then the thumb's gonna be right here. So we're just gonna curve it a little bit. And now for the other finger, so we're just gonna extend it out. Just gonna draw 2 sections. So it looks like the third section is actually in there. And then we'll draw 1 more here, just like 1 other finger behind it. All right, so let's move on to the other arm, and it's gonna be pretty much the same. So we're extending it. Then we're gonna go out. And then 1 big curve from here. Straight, close it, then continue this, and then just kind of go back up. And again, the same kind of detail here. I'll just draw a little loop. And then those 2 bars. All right, so now let's continue on. So here's the elbow, 1 section. Then 2 big curves. Close it off. And then for the detail inside, follow this curve. Go straight out. And then again, the little U shape in here. And the little light. Okay, and then for his hand, extend out, come across the back, and close it. Now for his thumb. And then 1 finger here, 1 section. Tip, and then again, I'm just gonna draw a little bit of finger there. All right, so it's not too bad. Okay, so let's draw his legs, and so this one's gonna come out pretty wide, so we're just gonna draw 2 curves. Okay, and then we're gonna close it off. We're gonna come down, this is just the middle section, and then just close it off at a slant. And then we're gonna draw 1 big curve here, another big curve on the other side. All right, so let's draw in, let's draw the other side before we start doing the detail. So curve, curve, close it off, then kind of a straight line, straight down, close it off with a little slant. From here, big curve, another big curve. Okay, and then so that one's pretty easy, right? So his foot is gonna come down, come all the way down, close it, and there's gonna be another section back here, so we'll just have it just come out a little bit more. And then for the toes, we'll just kind of go up a little bit, curve. Now we can divide it, so 1, 2, so just same curve as that. All right, so let's draw the other side. Come out, close it, part on the inside, on the side, and now we just kind of go up and just go all the way out, and then 2 lines, same as this one, so 1 and 2. Okay, and then let's add in some details. We can add in, there's just 2 little, I should draw this because it's kind of cool looking. So it looks like some kind of tube. And we can add in a little bit of a, you can draw in a little U shape in here. Just cut that up. So another one. So whatever you do on one side, you gotta do on the other side. Okay. And we can add in a little bit more detail, maybe up here. So we can draw in, it's got some more light stuff going on here. And that is it for this very powerful Hulkbuster in the Avengers Infinity War. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.